Good morning. My name is Harold, and it's my first video for Indiegogo. I've been in the tech industry for about 20 years. Most of that time I spent serving larger corporations like Microsoft, IBM, HP, offering antivirus, IBM servers, and Cisco networking hardware. Most of the time, the work I was doing was spent cold calling. So you're talking about 10, 15 years of just cold calling every day. And at a certain point, I kind of got tired of it and began to look for different ways to develop business without having to, spend every waking moment of mine on the phone. With the development of the internet and texting and new technology, I imagine there would be an easier way. It took a little time with some studying, and I actually got to learn about SEO and online marketing and ways to reach corporations. And I kind of came to the conclusion that this would probably be a better way to grow a business, to have people calling you for your services than not bothering everybody, but making 100 cold calls a day, just trying to meet a few people and get an opportunity to serve them. So what we did, or what I did, was I spent many years searching online for a way to bring I guess, for lack of a better term, leads, prospective leads to a business. And I studied pay-per-click, SEO, Google optimization, and over the years, after trying several things, we kind of found that everything seemed to intersect at the website. Whether you did a PPC or you did a free SEO campaign, or whatever you're doing, everything kind of came down to the website. And over the last little while, we've noticed that the websites are having to evolve because they are more of the searches, or I guess more of the people are searching on smartphones or smart devices, tablets, and that's making a total shift from a regular website where people search on it, on their computers, like I'm doing right now, because I guess as a population, or a business, we've all went out and spent our money and developed our websites and optimized them, but now phones are outselling computers, I think, 10 to 1, and more of the searches are being done on the phone. So now it opened up sort of an opportunity to develop technology which exists, but integrate it or create a new, what they're calling responsive website that actually can be user-friendly, whether it's on a tablet or an iPhone, Android, Samsung, what have you. So basically, we're trying to generate a little bit of capital to get us started. We do have some orders coming in already, so we're not that bad there. But I think we're going to build a more effective website. We'll have a little bit more technology to work with. As regards to computers, we will have our own private offices, not renting. And some of the unique things we're able to do basically now is just test any site and see if it's working in a mobile environment, and kind of do a little research to see if people are able to use it well, so that it can bring about the I guess the desired result. I think the impact, is going to be huge. The potential for this is for millions of people to be in business, helping business owners develop these new websites, and hopefully we're poised to have a bit of that market share as well. The project, I think, as I said, is going to make it just easier for current business owners and future business owners to be in a position to benefit from the searches that are being done online. So not only will you need optimization, but you'll need mobilization or responsiveness. So we basically have a caterer here in town that we just did some work for a little while ago, and he doesn't even have a website. He's coming up number 2, I think, for catering in all of our city, and he's getting leads from that I'm interested to find out, once we get him a mobilized website, how much more business he's generating. So if you're interested and you could contribute, that would be great. We'd be so grateful. I'll try and do something nice for anybody that does contribute, maybe a free report on your website, free estimate to see if we can help even more. If you can't, but you can share a little bit of this information, I'd be so grateful. So I thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to meeting you and wish you best in the future.